Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is November 30th, 2023. In my previous video, I just posted some analysis for S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and gold. I went over monthly chart as well. I told you the bigger picture of the stock market and also gold as well. So make sure watch the previous video because there are tons of important information. I mentioned that video. So make sure watch that video as well. Starting this video with crude, just because, as I said, the previous one has been reviewed and captured in previous video. Crude just had a very, very volatile day. So technically, we got this demand area breakout. So all those demand area actually change order to the supply zone, and this supply zone react very, very nicely today. We had kind of like a crude, like a cut from OPEC plus, and I don't know what was the deal, if they decided to cut 1 million, 2 million, or they did decide anything. I have no idea, to be honest, but based on our analysis and based on the bigger picture or chart reading, I just told you that any rally to 79 to 82 or 80 to 82 could be great selling opportunity. And sure enough, we had this supply zone here. We just got into 79-ish, $80, and then rejecting back down. So I should say, if we take out this pivotal point around 73, we are just taking out this one around 72, and a pullback could be great selling opportunity all the way down to 61 to 63. Crude is heading to the lower, guys. If you see some kind of like a buying opportunity, that's going to be just a dead cat bounce. I wouldn't buy right now. I'm just selling crude. Actually, I don't sell. I'm just keep my money on the side. There are lots of better opportunities in the market. But if it gets to 61 to 63, I should say that's going to be a good spot to look at it. Right now, I just my pencil is down for now. Moving on to yield had the uptick today. So after 3 days consecutive red days to the downside, this bear flag formed. Right now, we are just having like a bounce, pretty similar to nature of the supply and demand. So we are in this important area. Let me just highlight it here. We're just in this breakout level. So we had a pullback, getting back up. So market is just getting top of this pullback. So if we get a kind of like a deeper corrective move here, we should see a knee-jerk reaction, some kind of like to this area. I should say we can still get some more bullish action toward 2480, but that would be it. And then the sharp sell-off is coming after that afterwards. So this small rally could be a selling opportunity all the way down here. I should say this is the top, a multi-year, or should say multi-month top for yield. Moving on to Treasury. Treasury is down today after yesterday uptick. It goes down. Important pivotal point for Treasury. We got into this October timeframe bottom. We break down, and right now market recaptured to here. So we need to get monthly candle, or I should say weekly candle minimum above 91 to 93, then 94 for a nice breakout to the upside. Right now, market just reacting very, very nicely technically to this area. This is kind of like an important resistance right now. Treasury needs to recapture 93 and hold above it to have a bullish price action. Right now, it's just a technical reaction. Months of November was one of the best months for Treasury since, I should say, 2008 or so. It was very, very important to see if this monthly candle hold up pretty well. If we hold above 81.82, which I believe we are going to hold above 81.82, then we can see the next pullback could be great buying opportunity. VIX is down today, so regardless of the stock market volatility today, VIX was down. So I'm still looking for kind of like a mini spike here to 15, maximum 20. That would be the end of the rally for VIX. Dixie, a sharp move to the upside, pretty good candle here, I should say. Dixie can go all the way up to 103, 104, and then 104 could be kind of like 104.50, could be like the end of the rally, and we can see Another sell-off period is coming down the road. A sub 100 is coming soon. Magma indicator shows us kind of like a reversal is intact for big techies. There are lots of bullish price action happening just because we are just getting into this short-term support area. However, I still looking for more downside as a corrective move to the downside. Apple had a negative day, but ended up positive 58 cents up. Still bullish consolidation. But I should say this bullish consolidation, if it fails to the downside, it could be like a very, very sharp sell-off to here for a great buying opportunity, which is going to be a 178, 180, 81. That would be great area to see. Amazon 23 cents down. But buyers just came back up. Meta $5 down, and Meta initiate the sell-off as well. So Microsoft 6 cents up. Last hour of trading sessions, buyers just came back because monthly candle want to be positive. I'm not sure for the December timeframe because December is coming, and first week probably is gonna be ugly one for December. Google $2.46 down. Google cannot resume the bullish momentum. It's one of the first one just getting below this bullish consolidation. Netflix $3.22 down today. Tesla $4.06 down. Tesla just got into this trending range and then trend line and then coming back down. Even after hours, it goes down at 236. If it goes to 178, 180, I should say that's going to be a great buying opportunity. Moving on to SMH, which is a semiconductor index. So this one is coming down even after hours. It goes lower as well. So I should say this sector is weak and we should see more downside is coming. A potential scenario is going to be 150 to 152. SOX, the same pattern. For 40 to 480 to 490. That would be kind of like the scenario for SOX. TSM $1.57 down, and AMD $2.69 down. I should say AMD is just in a rollover process. So if it gets below this trend line, I should say below 117, then we can see kind of like a pullback all the way. The minimum price action is going to be 107, 110. And if we don't find any support, it can go all the way down to 92. So we will see with that one. NVIDIA just coming down nicely again. This bearish consolidation triggers, SMA 20 triggers to the downside. NVIDIA, I should say, can go down to 440. Texas Instrument, 49 cents down. After hour, it goes lower. Lamb Research, $1.93 up. Still holding up pretty well. This is very, very strong name, very good name. So we should see any pullback is like a buying opportunity. Moving on to XLF, which is financials. That's why Dow break out nicely today as well. Financials are strong. There is nothing wrong with the market. It goes above this pivotal point after hour, just going down a bit, but this is a weekly supply area. If it goes above 36, we're going to go test this high as well. KBE, which is large cap bank ETF, 17 cents up. KRE, they were pretty bullish, like in bullish pattern, triggered upside, 9 cents up. JP Morgan, $1.76 up. Nice pattern though. Goldman Sachs didn't follow up. JP Morgan, just to form a topping tail doji. Bank of America, 18 cents up. Good price action. Wells Fargo, 81 cents up. Great price action for Wells Fargo. So it can go to test this high as well, if you ask me. Moving on to GDX, which is gold miners. Despite gold price, they were pretty bullish, like 12 cents up. A good price action though. So gold miners are again getting back to the bullish momentum, which is good. GDXJ 78 cents up. Good price action for GDXJ. AEM 29 cents up today. So look at the candle. They are just starting another bullish momentum. Newmont, a nice consolidation, 19 cents down, nothing bad, nothing good. Franco-Nevada, this one is disappointing, man. This one is coming down 112. And if it goes below this breakout, I should say, that would be kind of like a very, very disappointing for this name. We have like, I don't know what's going on with this, but we have such a this action here, important support 109.80, and then If it goes below that, that would be very, very ugly for Franco-Nevada. Gold Barrick, 20 cents up, and not a bad price action, breakout nicely. So this reverse head and shoulder forms pretty nicely. Moving on to energy, XLE, just the consolidation here, bear flag, 56 cents up. XOP, which is oil and gas exploration ETF, 77 cents up today. Not a bad price action. Overall bearish pattern. OH, $1.66 up. I'm not bullish at all on these names. Exxon, look at that. So 40 cents up, but look at the pattern. Chevron as well, 31 cents down. This one is ugly, and this one can rip to the downside. This is going to be the area that I'm buying, 115 to 120. That's going to be a good level for buy. So we will see how it goes. Again, make sure watch the previous video, which is S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and gold price action. I covered lots of good materials there, even some educationals there. So you will see some levels for the next move for the market. Have a fantastic evening. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.